Hey there, so I am working on a video for you, but I have a question for you while I'm editing that. So here's the question. What 3 plants are you... I'm sorry, a cat just tried to swat the mic. I don't know if you noticed that little paw coming across there. What 3 plants are you most excited about growing this year? So I think for me, of course, tomatoes, but specifically carbon. I feel like I really am into carbon tomato flavor right now. And then I have a couple of lavender plants. I'm awful at growing lavender and I'm really working on it. So that's my number 2 is lavender, because I have 2 that actually survived out of the 6 that I planted. And then the pine berries are going to fruit this year. The pine berries that we planted together last spring, they made it through the freezes just fine. And there's more freezes to come, but they'll be okay. But they're going to fruit, and so I can't wait to taste those. I'm really, really excited about them. So what are your 3 plants that you are most excited about growing? Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you soon. Later, y'all.